reading right now, Ekta. Good morning. And I think I'm just reflecting what I've picked up from my interactions with market participants. So 19 days have essentially passed since the demonetization announcement on the 8th of November. There is still really no absolute clarity in terms of what is the size, scope, extent of the damage that this is going to have, how long the damage will really last. I think many people are in the market, not outside of it, but market participants, many of them kind of feel torn between supporting what they see as a well-intentioned move, but a move which nonetheless will have significant impact on the economy, momentum, business momentum, etc. So I think that is very, very clear. So they all kind of reflect that back. I think one is also starting to hear questions put to you and then to others as well, whether this move will really strengthen the government's hand as far as elections are concerned, politically speaking, right? So it's an important question, especially for market returns. I mean, if you think about it, what can really help the market from here, locally speaking, is one, if the government's hand in not just the state elections, and there are two coming up in about 3 months, UP and Punjab, but the 2019 elections as well, if the government's hand gets strengthened because of this move, and what that may really do in terms of the government's ability to push reforms, even more reforms in the near term. So it's an important question. I don't think we have clear answers yet. But one example that I can probably kind of give you is the opposition has called for a nationwide Bandh strike today. I mean, it's not really getting that much response, right? I mean, really lacking in support. So it seems like, broadly speaking, the public in that sense seems to be with the government on the back of the demonetization move. And I think it's an important kind of sentiment to note.
Yes, absolutely. Well, we're going to keep tracking more and more details about